you know who holds the title for the most who have memorized the entire Quran and hijabis in Africa and even in the world? It's Somali girls. Let me break it down. Somali girls are known for their extraordinary commitment to both Quran memorization and modesty through the hijab. In many Somali communities, religious education is a cornerstone of life, and it is not uncommon for girls to complete the memorization of the Quran at a young age. This devotion to becoming hafidhas sets Somali girls apart, not only in Africa but globally. Their remarkable discipline in mastering the Quran's teachings reflects their deep connection to Islam and their spiritual strength. At the same time, Somali girls embrace the hijab as a symbol of their faith and modesty, making them one of the most visibly modest Muslim communities in the world. Their commitment to modesty, combined with their impressive achievements in Quran memorization, memorizing the Quran, known as Hifd, is an act of deep dedication, requiring patience, focus, and a heart full of devotion. Somali girls, with their strong cultural ties to Islamic learning, embody this discipline, committing verses to memory as they strengthen their bond with their Creator.